Want to unlink PayPal from your Temu account? Here's how to do it. First, open the Temu app or go to temu.com on your browser. Log into your account. Now tap on the profile icon at the top right corner to go to Profile. Here, select Payment Methods. Find PayPal in the list and tap on it. Click on the Remove or Unlink button here. Confirm the action and PayPal will be removed from your account. Ensure that you have another payment method linked before removing PayPal so you can continue shopping. Do you prefer PayPal or another method for payments? Share your thoughts in the comments. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.